Namaste everyone. I keep coming up with the tech tips you need. Is only one side of your wireless earbuds working? Don't throw them away. They are not broken. Let's fix this pairing issue in exactly 45 seconds to 1 minute. First go to your phone settings and you can see a option of Bluetooth. So I saw in my phone this is a settings option in my phone, and Bluetooth option is here. So I click on it, and after click on Bluetooth option, you will find your earbuds. So now I put both earbuds in my phone. So my earbuds name is available here. You can see here TWS, and now it is connected in my phone. You can see that it is disconnected and forget option. Both options are available in my phone, and you can click your earbuds, and there both options are. Sometimes forget device is available. So click on forget device or unpair, whatever option is available in your phone. So I click on forget, so that it is unpaired from this device. Written in my phone. So I click on OK, and now I turn off Bluetooth in my phone. So guys, now I show you that this is a charging case of the both Airdopes 141. So next, take your earbuds out of this charging case. So I take these both Airdopes and tap the touch areas on both earbuds 5 times quickly at the same time. So I again I put both earbuds in my ear. Now I am tapping both earbuds 5 times now. Now all of you can see those red and blue LED lights are flashing in these earbuds. That means the reset is complete. So guys, first so I put both of them back in the charging case. And now I put both Airdopes 141 back in the charging case. and I take them out, and guys, I am reconnecting both of them to my phone. First of all, again I turn on Bluetooth in my phone. So now Bluetooth is on in my phone. So here my earbuds will see you last on available devices. TWS name is here last on. So I click on it, and it is now paired. And I am reconnecting them to my phone. So now both Airdopes 1.1 are connected in my phone. So boom, both sides are working perfectly. Please subscribe to Tapan's sTechHub for more quick tech solutions. Thank you.